If you're an older adult who has trouble getting your food, recent federal cuts might make it even more difficult. Ypsilanti Meals on Wheels says it's experiencing uncertain times after changes within HHS. Jack Springate has more on their path forward after losing half of their budget.
Well, the organization's CEO told me she's honestly unsure how much longer they'll be able to make food deliveries to their hundreds of clients here in Washtenaw County, which also means she's unsure about how many check-ins they'll be able to do for these older adults when they make those drop-offs. 74 years old is the median age of clients Ypsilanti Meals on Wheels serves, making the interaction with the driver nearly as important as the food they're delivering.
There have been many times where we've been on a delivery and we've interrupted a major medical event, or that we've noticed something and we've been able to reach out to their loved one and say we've noticed something different, and that they were able to intervene.
She says they're now forced to use rainy day funds and look at dollars from a county millage for older adults to try and fill the $250,000 void, but she also says this isn't the type of thing those funds are supposed to be used for.
The millage was intended to grow services, and also the reserve is there for when something happens, and this didn't have to be the thing that happens. This didn't have to be a catastrophe.
She says she's most concerned about the health of their clients, not only citing potential losses to Meals on Wheels, but also to their income through Social Security and their health through Medicaid.
Food is important, but it feels like a drop in the bucket when they're using Social Security to maybe pay their rent, and that Medicaid is the only health care that they have access to. What's going to happen to them then?
And to put that into perspective, Niece May says 30% of their clients make less than $1,000 a month, which is more than likely on a fixed income. Not only is she uncertain about what's next with her organization, but also what's next for the clients that they care for. For now, reporting in Ypsilanti, I'm Jack Springate, CBS News, Detroit.